Now, the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control has scaled up efforts towards the elimination of trans fatty acid foods from food supplies across Nigeria. The Nafdac Director General, Professor Mojisola Adeyeye, lamented that more than 36 million people die annually from non-communicable diseases, adding that cardiovascular diseases account for 17.5 million deaths across Nigeria. Here's the report.
There have been several campaigns against the use of unhealthy oils due to their harmful effect on people. Most of these products reportedly contain high levels of cholesterol, which increases the risk of cardiovascular diseases leading to many deaths. To this end, the National Agency for Food and Drugs Administration and Control, Nafdac, has expressed optimism that Nigerians will enjoy better food quality and health following the recent Gazette of the reviewed Fats, Oil and Food Containing Fats and Oil Regulation 2022 and the Pre-Packaged Food Labeling Regulation 2022. Nafdac Director General Mojisola Adeyeye will disclose this at a press briefing jointly organized by the agency and the Corporate Accountability and Public Participation Africa (CAPA), noted that deaths attributable to trans fatty acids in Nigerian foods leading to heart disease, stroke, cancer, diabetes, and chronic lung disease, among others, will now reduce drastically.
We have reviewed the fat and oils regulation, and we have a newly gazetted regulation known as Fat, Oils and Food Containing Fat and Oils Regulation 2022.
She also revealed that Nafdac is already working with partners to find alternative sources to the existing partially hydrogenated oils that are the source of industrially produced trans fatty acids. The Executive Director of Corporate Accountability and Public Participation Africa, CAPA, Akimbode Oluwafemi, said the media must continue to play a key role in educating the public on the content of the regulations.
What Nafdac is doing is making sure we are safeguarding the health of the nation by now having a labeling that an informed consumer can really understand and check and see.
From the part of the ministry, definitely there have been an overarching policy that is following, that will come up with it. We are also reviewing the national safety, food safety and policy and quality policy.
When I mean a lot, I will also speak to what concerns your ministry, which is the areas of food policy. You mentioned sugar, you mentioned salt, and every other things that we consume.
If these regulations are well implemented and we stop having the wrong oils for the populace to use, the populace will be protected without them even knowing.
The Fats, Oil and Food Containing Fats and Oil Regulation 2022 includes provisions and the scope of application, source of edible fats and oils, vitamin A fortification, additives and impurities. It also covers the labeling of fats and oils products, labeling limits and claims for trans fats and cholesterol, and penalties, among others.